ChatGPT has become my preferred tool for image generation. It's not just the improved quality, it's how it works with you like an assistant, thanks to OpenAI's advanced neural network. Let me show you how I designed this 𝗦𝗶𝗁 t-shirt using simple back-and-forth prompts. I started with a basic prompt. Make a t-shirt design for 𝗦𝗶𝗁 vibes on black background. Use vibrant summer colors. It generated a jack-o'-lantern in sunglasses with a watermelon slice framed by palm trees and a retro sunset. Let's totally change this design by simply typing, add a skeleton body to the pumpkin, place in a beach setting, and include a ghost. Let's fix the body and remove some items. Skeleton sitting lounging, ghost next to it eating a popsicle. Remove the watermelon. The flower seems out of place and the sunset can be larger. Remove flower and make sunset larger. That looks good. Add bats flying and a surfboard. It added the surfboard and the bats but also removed the retro sunset. To fix this, I could just ask it to bring the sunset back in the same thread. You can also paste the previous image in a new chat and continue from there. Add a surfboard to this design. And there you go. Let's add another ghost friend on the left side to add balance. Perfect, but it's too far to the left. Move ghost slightly closer to the skeleton. That looks better, but the new friend should also have a treat. Add an ice cream to the ghost on the left. It added 2 extra ghosts. Let's remove these. Remove the 2 ghosts next to vibes. This is the final result, all built step by step using conversational prompts. Let's try one more transformation in a different visual style while keeping the same design and layout. Redraw in 3D model rendered smooth surfaces reflective. Everything stayed in place, but the entire style changed. You can do this with just about any style and with any input image. Redraw in pixel art style reminiscent of early video games. And it perfectly transformed into pixel art. Same design, new style. From here you can keep evolving or create endless variations. Redraw for a woman/girly retro princess. It can do most design tasks you ask it to do and has a memory along with intelligence from the large language model that other AI generators do not have. And this, along with ease of use, is why it is now my primary image generator for POD. What's your preferred image generator? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.